Welcome back to my channel. This is Nikki of Nikki's Homemade Crafts. These festive and fun fingerless gloves are really fast to crochet. They have X's all around and are really stylish. This pattern is part of a very special event called the Advent Calendar Crochet Along. It has a mystery effect to it because you don't know which pattern will be published each day. There will be 24 free crochet patterns out of 30. You can get the entire 30 crochet patterns in an ebook. It's all last-minute gift ideas. If you would like to get the ebook, check the link down below in the description or my website. The entire event is sponsored by Lion Brand. So let's get started with today's quick crochet pattern. For the fingerless gloves, I'm going to use Lion Brand's Honest Choice in scarlet and white and a G+ crochet hook. Chain 28. And starting from the second chain from the hook, crochet 1 single crochet per chain. You will end up with 27 stitches, then turn and crochet 1 more row of just single crochets. You will end up with 2 rows of single crochets with 27 stitches each. During the last stitch, you're going to change colors to red or scarlet. I already worked ahead because I want to show you what repeat we're going to do now. So next we're going to crochet this red part, which is simply 1 row of single crochet stitches and 1 row of double crochet stitches, all in red. So I'm going to do this up as it's the exact same thing as down here. So 1 row of just single crochet, then the next row you're going to do double crochets. Once you finish your row of single crochet stitches in red, you're now going to do 1 row of double crochet stitches. I like to do the alternative turning chain as the very first double crochet. So that is a stacked single crochet. So first 1 single crochet and then insert your hook into the loop that's closest to your yarn finger. Yarn over and pull through and finish it up like another single crochet. So it's a stacked single crochet. It counts as a double crochet. Now 1 double crochet row in red. During the last stitch, make sure you change colors back to white and turn. So now we're going to crochet the row with the X's, okay? So those are double treble, but made as a front post. So around those single crochets that are 3 rows below into the white. So let's crochet the row with the 3 X's. Crochet 2 single crochets, so 1 per stitch. Now wrap your yarn 3 times around your hook, so that's for a double treble. Now count your stitches down here. So we have in white 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around the 6th one, you're going to go around it like a front post, yarn over and pull through, and finish it up like a double treble crochet. Now skip the stitch behind it and then crochet 2 more single crochets, 1 in each stitch. Now again, wrap your yarn 3 times around your hook. You're going to go back now. You're skipping these 2 and going around this one, so the 3rd one before, and make another double treble. Skip the stitch behind it. And now crochet 5 single crochets, 1 per stitch. Now we're going to do another double treble. Count 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So around the 10th one, you're going to crochet another double treble. Skip the stitch behind it and 2 single crochets, and another double treble by skipping 2 stitches here and putting it around the 3rd one before. Skip the stitch behind it, 5 single crochets, 1 per stitch. Now crochet a double treble around the 9th one, so count it from the last double treble that you see over here. Skip the stitch behind here, 2 single crochet stitches, and a double treble on a 3rd one before the one that you just made. Skip the one behind it and choose more single crochets. Now you're going to turn and crochet 1 row of just single crochet. During the last stitch, again, switch colors to red. Now repeat the single and double crochet rows for the red. So 1 row of single crochet, 1 row of double crochet. Then switch the colors back to white. Now let's crochet the row with 2 X's. So crochet 1 single crochet in the next 7 stitches. Now we're going to crochet a double treble around the 11th single crochet, so count it from the front. Skip the stitch behind it, crochet 1 single crochet, and now we're doing another double treble. You're skipping 1 stitch down here and doing the second one from the one we just did. Skip the stitch behind it and crochet 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. In a 9th single crochet from the one we just did, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, crochet another double treble around it. Skip the stitch behind it and crochet 1 single crochet and another double treble 2 stitches before the one you just made. Skip the stitch behind it and crochet 1 single crochet until the end of the row. Now turn and crochet 1 single crochet per stitch all the way till the end. Now continue crocheting such that you have 2 of these sections and then repeat half of it one more time. That means the first section one more time. Then make 2 pieces in total because we have 2 hands in order to finish the fingerless gloves. Now you're going to take one of these, fold it in half. You're going to sew the pieces together such that you have one little opening right here where your finger is. So you're going to have to adjust it according to your hand. So putting my hand into it, that means I'm going to have a section right here where my thumb is. So roughly from this area until here that I'm going to keep open, and the rest of it I'm going to sew together. You can use the mattress stitch. You can even cut your yarn as you were crocheting along the side here. You can also slip stitch these 2 pieces together. Once you're done, it's going to look like this. So you have your fingerless gloves done. You have a few different choices to get this pattern in a written format. Number 1 is my website. It does have ads, but you can view the pattern for free. Number 2 is you can get it as a PDF through Ravelry or Etsy. It's ad-free and printer-friendly. Number 3 is my membership, and you're not only going to get this pattern ad-free and printer-friendly, but you also get all my other patterns in a vault, easy to access, printer-friendly, and ad-free. And number 4 is the ebook that includes all 30 last-minute gift idea patterns. All 30 come with videos, and the entire ebook is a PDF. It's easy to print out and it's ad-free. In fact, it even includes the feature that you can click in a table of content and jump right to the pattern. So 4 different options for you to get this pattern in a written format. Which one will you choose? Be sure to like, comment, and share this video. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell to get a notification next time I publish a video or go live. Now go ahead and watch the next video. You're gonna want to, I promise you do.